Hello and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to compare the CFMOTO 450 and 850 XC. Enjoy the video! I'm gonna start by driving the 850 XC. As I've mentioned before, this has a 800cc 2-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, diff-locks, and it's a 2023 model, so it's quite new. It has great suspension and is pretty comfy. It has very good acceleration compared to its weight. Enjoy the rest of the driving experience. Let's jump over to the 450. Okay, so now I'm gonna jump on the 450. So it's a 2017 model. It has a 1-cylinder 400cc engine, 4-wheel drive, diff-locks, and this one has better tires too, so yeah, it has better grip and it's much lighter. I don't know, but I personally think this is much more fun to drive. Thanks for watching the driving experience. I like them both, but who do you think is better? The new one or this one? So I drive down and turn to the left and drive on the frozen water puddle and watch what happens. Uh-oh. As you can see, I almost flipped sideways because I didn't know how deep it was. So first we just tried driving it out, but that didn't work so well. At the end we just towed it out, so I hope you liked the video, please like and subscribe.